I had a dream. I bought the DJI Osmo Action 5, convinced that this little camera was my ticket to becoming the next YouTuber. I imagined cinematic shots, slow motion montages, and a perfect storyline. But the reality?
வண்டி கீழடா ஃபாஸ்டா போதுடா ஃபாஸ்டா போதுடா டேய் நிக்க மாட்டேதுடா வண்டி மச்சான் நிக்க மாட்டேதுடா உஷார் புடிச்சுக்கோ
The reality was 12 exhausted friends, a budget of 5,000 per person, and a plan that was barely holding together.
எப்படா போறேன் எங்கடா போகணும் இருக்குங்கடா
சரி மச்சான் ஒண்ணால வெல்கம் டு மூனார் ரொம்ப ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேட்டடா இருப்போ எங்கேயாவது ஒரு நல்ல டிரைவ் போலான்னு எனக்கு ஆசை. ஐ வாண்டட் டு கோ ஃபார் a bike ride.
Now on 19th, 2025, the plan was simple. Reach Sir M. Vishweshwaraya terminal by 5:30 am for the Ernakulam Express. I told everybody to be early. I was the one who woke up late. I arrived with only 15 minutes to spare, and look, I'm shameless. Luckily, I ran through the terminal, which honestly looked like an airport than a train station, panicking that the security checks could cause even more delays. Luckily, the line was for ticketing.
Platform 4. Thank you very much.
I finally climbed the skywalk, chest heaving, camera mounted to my chest, and I found them standing there.
Bro, hello. How are you? Hi bro. Good morning.
ரவி வந்துட்டு கூப்பிட்டு வரேன்
இந்த சைடா
இந்த சைட் போன அங்க டீ குடிச்சுன்னு போவேன்.
தேங்க் யூ.
My friends were ready to kill me, so I did what any responsible adult would do. I blamed my dad for driving too slow.
Bro, hello. Namaste. Hi. Hey bro. இன்னைக்குன்னு பார்த்து டாடி வண்டி உருட்டுறாரு மச்சான். ஹாய் மச்சான். ஹாய் ஹலோ.
நீ லேட்டு
டாடி வண்டி உருட்டுறாரா நான். நமஸ்தே ப்ரோ. நமஸ்தே ப்ரோ. ಆರಾಮ್.
ಹಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಚರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏ ರವಿ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
I was just the guy trying not to get left behind. We weren't heading to a luxurious trip. We were heading to a 5-bedroom villa in middle of nowhere in Kirtittodu, Kerala, on a mission to prove that you don't need money to have an adventure, you just need endurance.
Officially train is moving.
Hey, train is going.
ಏನು ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
We boarded the train and 10 hours classroom began. This wasn't a sleeper coach, it was a seater. And 10 hours in a chair is a long time to question your life choices. I thought I'd be a pro filmmaker here.
ಶೂ ಬಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು 3,500
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್
I thought I'd capture cinematic shots of our budget breakfast, bread jam, but I was a total noob. I was so busy eating and laughing that I forgot to hit record. This became the theme of the trip. If it was important, I probably forgot to film it.
நீ போனியா உள்ள?
எதுக்கு?
அப்படியே வியூ பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். கரெக்ட்டா
By 11 am, the energy died. We were bored, so half of them decided to crash, and I spent hours standing at the door. Feeling the heavy thuds of the train and watching the urban jungle fade into a beautiful paddy fields of Kerala. It wasn't cinematic, but it was peace. The train arrived at Aluva at 4:30 p.m. It was late by 45 minutes.
Superfast Express.
The train felt like an eternity, but the real challenge was just starting.
Bangalore, Ernakulam Superfast Express.
அந்த சூப்பர் ஃபாஸ்ட் மாத்திரம் சொல்ல வேணாம்னு சொல்லுப்பா. வேற ஏதாவது இருந்தாலும் ஓகே. இதே 10 அது.
We walked a kilometer to a highly rented bike shop that we researched online and had amazing reviews.
ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಮಚ್ಚ ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಮಾ ಮಚ್ಚ
But when we got there, my heart dropped. It wasn't a rental shop, it was a garage. It was basically a graveyard for machines that was barely alive. We needed 6 scooties, but they gave us machines that was held together by rust and hope, dare I say. My ride, a 15-year-old Axis with dead dashboard. No speedometer, odometer, no fuel gauge, just pure vibrations, to be clear. I was terrified. Our entire plan depended on these junk machines surviving a steep hill climb throughout Kerala. But my friends, none of them complained. They strapped on the bags and were ready to roll out. Even though they were disappointed, they never judged each other. They were supportive, and it was all of us together, not against each other. That's what made this trip possible. With all this, my brain was lost. It was 2 hours down the lane, and we started our ride at 7 p.m. We had a 90-kilometer drive to go, ideally a 3-hour ride, but on junk bikes with double luggage that couldn't cross 40 km per hour, we were gonna make it in a very long time. Eventually, I gave up and packed the camera away. It was so frustrating. For 2 hours, we climbed a pitch black cart road. There were no street lights, just our dim headlights and the cold wind. To our left, we could sense a massive drop of the valley, but nothing visible to our naked eye.
No, I'm not accelerating only, bro.
We were fueled by nothing but a tea-stall break and a desperate need to sleep. We had been awake since 3 a.m. Our bodies were broken, patience were thin, but with sheer guts, we reached our villa at midnight. We walked in ready to crash, and the first thing we saw, a creepy framed photo of a woman in a traditional sari staring right at us from the wall. It was unsettling. We did the bravest thing we could think of and hid that photograph away. Nervously laughed, and everybody passed out. Day 1 didn't go according to the spreadsheet, but we made it. And day 2. I was hoping for the best for day 2, as day 1 didn't go as planned. But everything went to hell, and the inevitable of a breakdown happened.
Hey! I'm ready.
Hey!
I'm ending this video here. Subscribe and follow for more. And this is Honest. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.